All right. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name's Eric. If you find any of this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Today I am showing you two indicators to help make your trades a little bit more easier. And with this is a level strength index by Big Beluga. It's an indicator. This will help mainly the beginner or any trader where you're debating whether you want to stay in the trade or maybe get out. So I got Vanguard ETF. It's December 23rd. And as you look over here, it's going to let me drag it a little bit center here. You can see it's got all these green arrows, 100%. That means stay. That's a stay. And I'll show you somewhere it might not be that way. We'll go to Netflix. Let's see. Netflix, 100% saying stay in the trade. You know, even though it's jumped up, it's saying it's a good. Let's see, Costco. I've got some trend lines here. It's don't be confused. My trend lines here. It's saying 70% stay in the trade if you were thinking of maybe getting out. You know, you can gauge 70%. You may think about getting out. According to my trend line, you would be getting out. So I'll show you how to set that up and what other indicator to go along with this. So let's just click out of this like we just had a normal chart of VOO, and we'll get to it. So here we go. We got VOO. That is a fund. If you're not familiar with it, that replicates the S&P 500. And so we will start off with this indicator first, SMA 9/50/180, EMA 20 buy sell. We want to choose that one. That's our starter one because it's got all our lines. And then we're gonna clean this. We're gonna clean this up so it doesn't look so chaotic. We basically want to use these buy sell indicators. So we're gonna go back in here into settings. We can get rid of the 50. You know, you can pretty much get rid of all of these. But I like to keep the white. I like to keep the red, which is the SMA 9. I want to keep the buy and sell, but the buy and sell chart line, we'll get rid of that. And okay, we clean it up nice. Here we go. Because this will tell me a 9-day trend happening and a 180 trend happening. 180 trend is the white line here. You know, if it's above and it's going up, that's good. That's a stock that's been doing very well for a long time. So after that, we're going to click on indicator. Here we go, and we'll just click levels, strength index. Here it is. I might start. I'm surprised it didn't have it start. Big Beluga. We click on that one. It lights this up here. And here we go. So if you bought in here and you were thinking, do I sell? I'm still at a 100%. So if you're a little bit, you know, these arrows may go down to 80%. You may think, oh, well, that's good enough for me. You would be up 2.9% over 6 days. So that's pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 days. So it may go down. And it's all by strength of arrows. So how do you use this? This is trades that have kind of already came in. Let's try, here's one Coca-Cola. Good example here. Because there was this buy signal here. So you would have got in. And then it's not good here because it shows these, but we can look at these. It would have given a lesser strength around, right around here, it would have indicated with about, it doesn't show it here, but it would have indicated like 70, I'm thinking 70, 30 maybe 80, 20, and if you were maybe smart or something, you would have been able to get out, because if you would have went by these indicators, unfortunately you had a loss. But if you would have hanged on with this other second indicator, it would have kind of let you know that right here at 30%, it's your 0.30% time to get out, and you just made just a little profit instead of making no profit at all. But fast forward here, I'm going to let's show you how to find stocks. I got these buy and sell indicators, and give you a little extra here since we've got time. We gotta go to another TradingView. So on this front page, this is all the free version. We're going to go to screeners and stocks. Let's go to screeners and stocks. This folds up. We will type on that little plus box, and we're just going to go SMA, simple moving average. You know what? We'll back up. Let's go MACD. MACD here. Wait, add filter. After we do that, we got to make some changes. So we'll click on it again, and we want to click here where it says level across this up signal. And we're down to 580. Now we want to do SMA, simple moving average. I want to find good stocks that have been going good for over 200 days. So we're going to click on that. I changed it to 200. And now we'll click on it again, because I want the price below. I want it below the price, 0 to 10%. Here we go. And so that's a pretty good setup. You could even put this down. You can go to manual setup here, and then you can go to 0 to 3% and apply. So the SMA 200, it's very close. I wouldn't do that. I would just go below price, and that would be good enough. That would be good enough for me. I'll show you that it works here. Click on this Alibaba. Like, what's going on here? Can you see the line? And of course, it's not putting. Yeah, there's the line, just above. It's trending up somewhat. Haha. Gotta love TradingView. Okay. Well, we want to get a little bit better. I don't have time to look at 255 different stocks. We're going to click on another SMA and 9. We'll go put the 9 there. Click add filter. SMA below price 0 to 10%. Now I'm going to make that even better here. Click it on manual setup. And then we're going to go 0 to 3% below, down to 80. That's pretty nice. You can click in here and click in, I believe it's market data for average volume. It's right here. I do 30 days, add filter, and then I'm looking for manual setup and a value of, $1 million. I want a thing that's something I can get rid of. Here we go. 2 million, 1,600,000. Here we go. All right here. We got workday. Let's see what it looks like. Those watching live December 23rd, are we going to find something? Maybe. Maybe there's no buy signal, but it's probably getting kind of close. Something to look at. Let's go back. Here's another one, 50-50. I would believe the buy signal is coming maybe soon on this one. Something to look at. It is 50-50. As you can see, it's very helpful because maybe check the other day, maybe getting a buy signal soon here. And then it may, you want more green arrows than red arrows to tell you that it's a buy or to stay into the buy. As they move down, 50-50, you don't want to get in. So that's perfect example there, and that's why the buy signal's not on. Let's just click on one more, maybe one with the greatest just like this Helion, if I'm saying that right. Here we go. Hey, we got a buy because it's at 60%. So something to look into. Weird part is that it's just below. It's below the. Those screeners aren't perfect, but it did give us. There's a buy signal. So and as you can see, we're 60% over there. This is HLN, and it's December 23rd. Remember, we're just paper trading with everything we hear on my channel. Educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you found this information valuable. Go ahead, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button if you did. And I will see you on the next video. Good luck trading. We'll see you on the next one.